Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, and first one is right here. That's a phone call speaker. Next is at the bottom right here, and that's basically all of the speakers on this device. Now we just need to play some music and cover each of these speakers with our fingers. If the sound be coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound was coming from a bottom speaker only, and that confirms that this device doesn't have a stereo speaker but the mono speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.